There you go. Okay. Say go.
Go.
Every time I'm my Costa Rican, my Samoan, I'm going to Samoa. Hey, I love you guys. Peace.
Come on, bro. No, it's a video, bro.
Oh, I
Keep
got more?
going. Yeah, keep more
Oh,
shout out,
okay.
bro. Shout out.
Anyway, check this out. Shout out to him. Hey, I'm telling you point blank, when I get out there, it's all about bananas because that's what I'm going to do. My princess is going to be everything that I dream about. Every time I go to Samoa, that's what I'm going to think with my Costa Rican. Always, man, you already know. Hey, every time that he wants me to go out there for more longer time, I'm going to go out there because that's my princess that's probably right there. You know what, baby mama, let me tell you something. In Samoa, you can have 9 kids. My baby mama, whatever. When you get out there, she's just super, just physically just fit. You know what I'm saying? FIT. And then every time when you look at her, everybody's going to be like, you're not mixed. You are Polynesian. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm just going to turn around and look at all my kids. I mean, all the ones that I don't have to with her. Because she is the queen of everything that I quested in life. Huh? No, but for real.
Where you from? Where you from? Where you from?
I'm
Yeah.
from Fillmore, always Western Addition, right there in Fillmore. And you know what?
Frisco,
Everyone,
huh? From
yep,
the
that's
city.
right. West is still there. Out of all the places with cafes, we still go. And then every time we hit turf, that's what we on, baby, in Samoa. It has nothing to do with it. Look, he ain't even related to you. I'm your queen. I mean, your
Queen.
damn.